Mix detergent with salt and you will thank me. To start our tip today, in a container we will add 5 tablespoons of detergent. I'm sure this mixture will be the solution. For your daily washing, detergent is an indispensable item for use in cleaning dishes. For its decreasing effect, we will then also add 6 tablespoons of water, being ideal, to dilute the mixture and bring the yield we need. Next, we will also use 2 tablespoons of salt. Next, we will use a tablespoon of baking soda, and then mix again. Sodium bicarbonate is ideal for mixing due to its alkaline effect. With the other ingredients, we have a more effective mixture than conventional products sold in the markets. To finish, we will use 250 milliliters of water, thus facilitating the dilution of the products and also mixture yield. And with this, we will mix one last time. And so we will have the tip ready for use. To facilitate the application and storage, we will also use a bottle. Here I am using the detergent packaging itself. I will also use a funnel to avoid wasting the mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Marianza de Jimenez from Colombia. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. Just this amount that we prepare is already enough for use for a month. Once it is at this point, we can apply the mixture. For use, it is simple. Just applying directly to the pots or cutlery. We can easily remove any yellowish stain or dirt. Then we should only use a sponge to facilitate the removal of other dirt. My family always thanks me for having this mixture ready for use at home. Always makes it faster and easier to wash dishes. This will surely be the mixture that will make it much easier to clean all your dishes and pans. The best is that it serves for the entire bathroom and even for cleaning the kitchen and crockery. If it is too sticky, the dirt, you can soak or even use a steel sponge to facilitate cleaning. Tell me later about the result you got when using this mixture in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.